Good morning, traders, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Very excited to do our VIP sponsor winner announcement. If you guys missed out last Friday for our showdown, we mentioned that we are doing a VIP sponsor winner list. So if you guys went ahead and subscribed in that list that we put out on Friday, now, Big Dog is going to go ahead and pick those winners to bring you guys to our VIP group. And in our VIP group, what you guys will be getting is our trading tool. Not only that, you'll be getting our VIP live sessions, which I do Monday through Thursday. And then not only that, you'll be getting our Discord. So you'll be connected into our Discord where you'll chat with our members, myself, Big Dog, and we have all the trade ideas there as well. So if you have any questions, if you are the winner, go ahead and email us, and we can help you guys get situated, get connected, and we'll be glad to help you. So we're gonna get started, and I'm very excited to see our 5 new members. So Big Dog, take it away.
All righty, fantastic, Ken. Well, thank you for giving me the honor to go ahead and spin this wheel, go ahead and select the 5 winners that are going to join Cameron for the next 2 weeks, Monday through to Thursday. Now, remember, it's going to be the reason why we did this at 12 o'clock on Monday. We were going to do it at 9 o'clock in the morning on Monday, but we decided to do at 12 o'clock just so that we get, if there's any help needed to get connected and get all the other things needed in order to be able to get supported into the session, it can be done before the next session starts because Cameron starts at 9:30 in the morning, so which means that if we did it at 9:15 or 9, we were going to do it at 9:15. If we did 9:15, that is very little time to be able to help get the traders in to the session. So now we got some more time. Cameron's going to be able to help you get involved in those sessions. And if you've got any problems getting connected, make sure that you go ahead and click on to our support link, our support chat on the website, and that is TradersNetworkClub.com, and you'll be able to get connected. Also, or at least connected to the support line. Also, very important. Once we spin the wheel, whoever's name gets drawn on the 5 names that get drawn, they will be sent, or at least we will be sending out an email immediately to those email addresses that you registered with. And therefore, you need to go to that email address because you're going to go ahead and pick up some information. Now, if you check your spam, check your junk mail. If it is in spam or junk mail, make sure that you go ahead and safe list this email address so that we can continue to support you, send out emails to you that are related to things that are important. Again, we do not spam you, and we will not spam you on things that you don't want. Everything that we do send you are things that are important about the process that you're going to go through. All right? So without further ado, Cameron, let's go ahead and shake and bake. And traders, you want to go ahead and hold. In fact, I don't know. Should we spin it, or should we go ahead and talk about some more trade setups this morning and pick up some trades? How did it go in your? Let me ask Cameron a couple of questions, and I'm keeping you guys on the string a little bit, and I know I'm making it pretty intense right now as you're waiting for the results. But Cameron, what did you guys do in your trading sessions this morning? Did you guys place any trades?
Yeah, we broke down positions that we took on Friday as well with the Canadian pairs.
Okay.
Not a lot of movement since Friday till today. So we still sitting in one position on the Aussie CAD and one position the New Zealand CAD from the trade that we actually took on Friday. So we just went ahead and broke that down. Price started moving in our direction, so we're pretty close to closing the Aussie CAD. Aussie CAD's a few pips away from closing out at 20 nets, 20 net pips. And then the New Zealand CAD's pretty much at break even, still just fluctuating. Not much really going on with those pairs. But we did take a look at the Euro US dollar and the US dollar CAD, which we closed on Friday. So we had those open to go ahead and trade today. And yes, we did. We actually went short on the US dollar CAD today, and we went long the Euro US dollar. And still not much movement there. Price kind of retraced a little bit. So we're just kind of waiting for that retracement to just kind of end, and then kind of wait for that. And then as we're speaking, there's the sell there. I believe it's the Aussie CAD that just closed out.
That is correct, and that is in your VIP room. And if I look over here on our trade on the trade signals that are coming through that Telegram channel, The only trade that hasn't closed out is the Aussie CAD at the moment right now. And we're probably about a pip away from that being closed out because, those are two separate trading accounts that just happened right now. So in the next, I think it's just about to knock it out. It's just about to knock it out. And I think it's just about there. It's just right there. So you should be getting, if you're following us on that Telegram channel that is in the description down below. If you're not, you want to go ahead and check it out. Get connected. We're just about to send you a signal letting you know that the Aussie CAD's going to get closed out. We're about a pip away from that closing out, and we were in a sell on the Aussie CAD since Friday. And all the other positions, Cameron, as I'm looking over here, all the other positions have closed out. And we've only got the Aussie CAD that currently in open positions on that. Am I correct by saying that, Ryan?
You're talking about from the showdown?
Yes, from the showdown.
Yeah, we just got the Aussie CAD and the CAD Swiss that closed from the showdown.
The Aussie CAD is still active. Take a look at the.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I was looking at a different account there. Sorry.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah. The Aussie CAD is the only one that's active right now.
So everything else, the other
it's about almost a pip away from closing there. So yeah.
Yeah. You're just about. So we've only got the one pair out of the 5 that we traded. Only one pair that's still active, and that is the Aussie CAD that's about a 1 pip away from being closed out. So we'll wait for that to happen right there. Now, make sure that you join us up on Fridays, because Fridays is very important as we go into the market and analyze the market and break down the pairs. Also, keep it in mind that if you look at the way, and let's just take a quick look here on the dollar index. And let me go ahead and share my screen on that. And here we go. Bing. All right, so if you take a look at the way things are moving here on the dollar, we can see that we are expecting price to possibly go ahead and either take out the low or break above that high. So we're a little bit range bound. Looking at the larger picture here on the 1 hour, on the daily time frame right here on the dollar index, we noticed that the market did have a little bit of a correction move and it's bounced back up since then. But I think we still got a bit of momentum down towards the support down here. So I won't be surprised if we see the dollar continue to fall for the rest of the week. But this is the big sort of announcement that's coming out this week, and this happened the same last month, July 12th. We had the rate. We had the CPI number come out at 3%, and it was coming off the 4% that we had the previous month. So we had a 1% drop in inflation numbers. That was huge. And if you actually look at the market, specifically US dollar, it crashed down to lower lows. We had a downside move in the dollar for probably for the first 3 days, and then the market rallied back up again because they had a rate decision and they kept the rates. They raised the rates 25 basis points, and so we had another hike in the interest rate that caused the dollar to rally again. But for that 2 or 3 days that the market did sell off, due to the inflationary numbers, meant that if we get a lower inflation number, that's going to be weak for the dollar. Reason being is because, especially if it's too strong, if we get a too strong of an inflation drop, that's not good for the US, and that would cause the dollar to go ahead and sink. And that would also mean that the central banks will not go ahead. They should not be going ahead and raising the rates. They should actually go ahead and start standing aside or possibly cut the interest rate rather than hike the interest rate. Now, we know that cuts aren't on the table, but certainly a hold is certainly something that can happen. Now, if we look at this week's data, we notice that we've got CPI coming out for the U.S. On the Thursday at 8:30. That's going to be huge, traders, because if that number comes out lower than the 3.2% that they're forecasting as, what's that going to be to the dollar? That means we're going to get another sell-off on the dollar, and that means, traders, if we look at the dollar index right here, we're looking at possible deeper downside moves to the bottom. In fact, if I shift it over to a US dollar CAD position if we have here, then we can take a look over here and you see that the dollar is really finding a lot of resistance here around that area. And that this market created a wave structure that we are anticipating a correction move back down to 133. And if it breaks 133, then 132.25 could be the next downside move. So dollar weakness is expected. And what Cameron just mentioned right now, what did he do on the US dollar CAD? Cameron, did you sell US dollar CAD this morning? You muted?
Oh, sorry. Yes, I sold. Yes.
Yes, you sold US dollar CAD, and then what did you do on the euro US dollar?
I went long the euro US dollar.
Long the US dollar. All right, so that is definitely in line with what we're seeing here technically, and those are the type of things that Cameron goes ahead and shares with his traders in the morning sessions that he does from Monday through to Thursday. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and dive right into this week's winners. So we've got the wheel. We're going to go ahead and spin the wheel, and then as soon as the winner gets selected, we'll be sending out an email. Check your email to go ahead and follow the process to register and get registered. By the way, I want to go ahead and say something that I mentioned last week. I said no credit card needed. Well, actually, in fact, yes, you would have to in order to be able to register, but there is zero fee. All right, there's $0. If you choose to continue after 2 weeks, then yes, there will be a fee after 2 weeks. But there's a code that could be used. We're going to be sending you that code, and it's only for the winners that are going to be receiving that code. When you take that code, you put it into the actual onto the registration, you will get a $0 fee that is due. All right. We try to work it the way that you didn't need credit card. Unfortunately, it didn't work out that way. So you're going to have to probably still put your credit card in there, but nothing will be pulled. All you got to do is make sure that you go ahead and put that code in. If you have any problems with that, reach out to our support team. They know who you are. They will help you out and get you set up. All right. All right. With that being said, let's go ahead and spin the wheel, Cam. All right. You ready to roll?
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready.
All right. Let's go ahead and roll. All right. The first winner in this last week's trade battle is, and I don't know, Cam, you're going to have to tell me how you pronounce the name. Was it Bazy?
Baz.
Baz? Biz? All right. Well, that winner will be removed from this list. And remember, traders, you can only get one. You can only win once out of this, right? So he will be removed. You can only get one free session with us. And once you've got your free session, you're not going to be able to get it again. So make sure that you use up this 2 weeks, Buzz. I'm sorry, I don't want to be disrespectful. I'm just not sure how to pronounce it. But this is it right here. You've got that. Congratulations to that winner. We're going to go ahead and send out that email right now to that winner right here. And so that winner will be sent out. There it is. It looks like it's all right. There it is. It's done. Next winner. Let's go ahead and get the next winner in. And the next winner is going to be, is it Mija?
Mia.
All right. Next winner is going to be Mia. I'm bad.
Mia.
I'm bad with names. So Mia, that's Nicholas. Nicholas Mia. All right, Nicholas, you are rocking. You are in. All right. Next one is going to be. Let's take a look right here. Next one's going to be. And let those. What's
Lax.
that? Lax? All right.
Congratulations, Lax.
Lax. Lexi. Okay, Lax. That's Oscar. Oscar Lax. There we go. Oscar, you're in, buddy. Congratulations, my friend. All right, that is, I think we got 3 so far, right, Cam?
Yes.
All right, 2 more. Who's going to be the next 2 right here? Let's take a look right here. Anyone that is not being selected. Oh, there's my friend. Oh. There we go, Janet. Janet Bellinger. Janet is in. Janet Bellinger. All right, Janet, you are going to be sent an email, and it's done. Let's go ahead and congratulations, Janet. Let's go ahead and do the last roll. Anyone that has not been selected, they will go onto the list for next week as we keep rolling it out every single week. So every week we roll out these special offers, and you'll know Friday what our next special offer is going to be next week Friday. but everyone on that list will be on the wheel, and we'll go ahead and spin it out on every Monday. All right, 12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Let's go. Last final winner is going to be Paul right here. And we have McLean. Is it Malene? McLean? McLean is going to be. And let me go ahead and throw in that one right here. There it is. It's Derek. Derek, you have been selected and you are on the list, my friend. All right, good stuff. All right,
All
there it
right.
is. We have our winners. Congratulations to the winners. Cameron will see you in the session tomorrow. Make sure that you get connected. If you have any issues, make sure that you go ahead and reach out to the support team through the website. They'll get you started, rigged up, and all that other good stuff. And remember, you're going to get access to Cameron's trade sessions every Monday through to Thursday. You're also going to get the trading tool that he uses in order to be able to enter the market. You're also going to get access to the Discord where all the other members, paying members, are going to be chatting about the markets and having a good conversation throughout the day about what's going on. You can certainly go ahead and pick up things from that as well. There's only one golden rule that we have inside the Discord channel, and this is actually a cardinal rule. This is a rule that we do not bend on, and that is that the trading room is there for traders to lean on each other with positive responses. Positive responses. Traders, we all know that traders go through some difficult times and that we get emotional about this. This is not a therapy session, all right, where you get to vent out in those sessions about your bad trades. This is where you talk about things and talk about the market so that you can ease your emotions by understanding what's going on with the market. But the decision how you trade and how you manage your account is on you. And then, of course, the decision whether or not you're cutting your losses or keeping on to some trades is also your decision. So make sure that you understand that this is a Discord channel that people can lean on each other with positive feedback, positive responses. That's what it is, because traders, the one thing that we do not want in the trading rooms is we do not want negative sort of chatter, negative arguments, fights, that type of stuff. It's very much going to be a positive trading room for everyone to lean on each other so they can help each other get through some tough times. All right, very important. And unfortunately, if you break that rule, you might find yourself excluded from the room for the next 24 hours, 48 hours, whatever that penalty may be. So make sure that you stick to that rule. And then if you do that, you're on the way to being part of a awesome community. And we're there to support you and help you and guide you along the way. So with that being said, that wraps up the session, Cam. Anything else you want to go and throw out there?
Yeah. I'm very, very happy to see you guys tomorrow. So please make sure you guys go through the process. Click the link after you guys sign up. Make sure you go into your members area, go in your active resources, use those links to connect into the Discord, download the trading tool as well. And also, you'll see there in the active resources, you'll see the VIP. I think it's called the VIP live session, right? Is that what it's called?
Yep.
I don't even see it here. But yes, go. Everything will be in your active resources, and if you have any problems, just like Big Dog said, go ahead and email us or contact us to our support chat, and we'll be gladly to help you. Make sure you guys get connected so you can be in that VIP room by tomorrow, because I would love to see you guys in there. So
All right.
yeah.
Perfect. And that clock is ticking right there. So don't miss out. Remember, it's a 2-week. You get 2-week free access. That clock is ticking. Don't miss out on a day. You want to use up every minute. So if you only get connected by Friday, you've missed out a whole week of opportunity. So don't do that, because you've only got 2 weeks starting today. And so you will be able to get out of the you'll be able to get into those sessions and learn more about trading and get a little more familiar with what's going on in the market. So with that being said, traders, have an awesome week of trading. Happy trading, and we'll see everyone back again next week. All right. In fact, we'll see you in the live trade battle coming out on the Friday. So don't miss out the trade battle on Friday. All right, traders, have a great afternoon. This is FxBigDog and Cameron saying cheers.